By the end of this video, you'll have written and run your first Python program on your own computer from scratch. You don't need any experience, you don't need to have coded before, you just need about 10 minutes of your time. Let's go. We will begin by installing Python. Open your browser and go to python.org. At the top of the page, click Downloads. The site detects your operating system automatically, so it will show you the correct download. I am on Windows, therefore it shows me the Windows version. Click Download Python Install Manager. This will download a small file. Open it, then follow the steps and allow it to finish. If it asks whether to add Python to your path, select Yes. Now we will confirm that Python is installed. Open your terminal. I am on Windows, therefore I will use PowerShell. Then type the following command: Python --version. If you see a version number like me, then Python is successfully installed. However, some of you will not see a version number. Some of you will type the Python command and the Microsoft Store will open instead. This is not an error. Windows sees that you typed Python, but cannot find it, and therefore opens the store to offer it to you. What it actually means is that Python is not registered on your path. You did not break anything. Run the installer again and select Yes when it asks about path. Now we need an editor, or more precisely an IDE. That stands for Integrated Development Environment. An IDE is simply a text editor, like any other, with additional tools built in to help developers in their work. There are several good options. Visual Studio Code or VS Code is a popular and free. I will leave a link in the description for you to download it. I prefer PyCharm, and that is what I will be using throughout this course. I recommend you use it as well, so that your screen matches mine. Once you finish the course, use whichever you prefer. I will leave a link in the description for you to download it. One thing to be aware of: PyCharm will start a 30-day Pro trial automatically. You do not need Pro. When the trial ends, PyCharm will not stop working. It simply returns to the free version, which contains everything we need for this course. Do not pay for anything. And one important point: the editor does not run your code, Python runs your code. The editor only makes it easier to write it. That is why we installed Python first. Now we will write our first program. Go to the top left, then go to File, New Project to create a new project. I will name my project Python Essentials. Then click this Create button. You will notice PyCharm created a folder called .env. Ignore it for now. It is not something you need to understand yet, and we will return to it later in this course. First, delete this folder by right-clicking and delete. Then we need to create a Python file. To do that, go to this plus sign, click it, then click Python file. Let's name our Python file hello. Press enter. PyCharm adds the .py extension automatically. That extension means it means that this file is a Python file. So it identifies this file as a Python file. Now let's write some Python code. Print hello world. Print is a function. You'll learn about functions later on in this course. The job of the print function is to display whatever is inside these parentheses. And anything what are between quotation marks, it is text. So any text goes between quotation marks. Now let's run our Python file or Python program. To run it, we go to this sign and click it. You can notice Hello World appeared here. The Run button is a shortcut. Let me show you what it's really doing. Let's open the terminal here. Let me move it up and open it. Let's write Python and the name of our program or file, hello.py, and press enter. It appeared Hello World, similar to what the Run button did. So in the background, the Run button really is running this command. Congratulations! You have installed Python, created a file, written your first program, and run it. That is the foundation. Everything else in this course builds on what you just did. In the next episode, we will cover variables, how to make Python remember things. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will continue with us in this course.